Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'll tell you how to block someone on Snapchat. For for this, you just have to open your Snapchat app. Just open it and then go to chats. And here you just have to select the person you want to block. As I want to block this one, so just open his profile and then tap on profile icon. And here just tap on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. Just tap on it. And here you just have to select manage friendship. Just tap on it. And here you have the option of block. Just tap on it. And then tap again on block. And now I have successfully blocked the person on my Snapchat app. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.